First question from Dr. Shankar was related, what are the subtypes of head and neck squamous cellular carcinoma which I studied or I specifically focused. So I specifically focused upon lip, oral cavity, oropharyngeal and nasopharyngeal. All the subsites related to oral cavity as well as the nasal cavity were included in this research. And so another question which Dr. Shankar posed for me was means there are a number of studies available specifically in India related to HPV carcinoma. So Dr. Shankar, there are a lot of studies in the region, but the issue is that there is lack of homogeneity in the studies. Prior to my research or review article, they estimated that they only means focused oral cavity for the etiology of or for the HPV related head and neck squamous cellular carcinoma, but I focused on all the oral cavity related subsites as well as the nasal cavity as well, and overall head and neck region as well. So we can say in India there are a lot of studies available, but there is lack of homogeneity, means people are even conducting research study focusing HPV 31 and some are conducting on HPV 16 and HPV 18, but there is lack to sum up the virus as a whole, means there are more than 15 genotypes which are prevalent in the region. So studies are lacking the homogeneity and they are focusing on only a single type or one type. So that's why my research study was actually a broader study, just to focus on and to calculate and to focus all the types of HPV genotypes, mean what are the sub genotypes of HPV. I focused on all, and the countries who are reporting all these types in the region, I specifically covered all those studies, and Alhamdulillah my results are suggesting that there is 21.9% HPV prevalent in the region, specifically in the Asia region. But as per the estimates of Europeans regarding HPV association in Asia, they estimated that there is 12% to 59.9% prevalence of HPV, means they reported a huge gap back in 2014. So I just sum up this gap, and they also reported their results with greater heterogeneity. So my results are just specifically reporting that there is 21.9% HPV prevalent with the clear heterogeneity outcomes in the region. Yep. And I think these were the two or three questions which were posed by Dr. Shankar. If you have any questions, sir, you can ask as well.